Healthcare lead generation. Capture medical leads with AI. Healthcare lead generation connects providers, insurers, and suppliers with clients, but faces challenges like privacy laws and diverse audiences. AI simplifies the process through automation and data analysis. This video covers AI's role and top tools for healthcare lead generation. Healthcare lead generation connects clients and partners while tackling regulatory compliance and diverse audience needs. AI tools help target segments like hospitals or clinics with tailored strategies and messaging. Best AI tools for healthcare lead generation. 1. AnyBiz.io is an AI-powered platform that streamlines lead generation for healthcare providers. It combines intelligent targeting, multi-channel engagement, email, LinkedIn, and AI cold calls, and compliance with regulations like HIPAA and GDPR. The platform captures high-quality leads, automates follow-ups, and personalizes messaging, saving time and resources while improving conversions. A 7-day free trial lets users explore its features risk-free. 2. MedTech Momentum specializes in MedTech lead generation with its LG6 program, offering AI-driven targeting, multi-channel engagement, LinkedIn, email, Google Ads, and continuous outreach. Designed specifically for the MedTech sector, it ensures precise and effective audience engagement. 3. Callbox specializes in B2B lead generation for healthcare, offering data-driven lead targeting, appointment setting, and sales enablement tools. With a focus on compliance, HIPAA, GDPR, and multi-channel outreach, Callbox helps healthcare providers connect with decision-makers and streamline sales processes, driving growth in a competitive market. 4. Revnew is an outbound lead generation agency combining AI and human expertise to deliver qualified leads and personalized solutions. Specializing in outbound marketing, demand generation, and account-based marketing, Revnew tailors strategies for industries like healthcare, ensuring effective engagement and steady growth in a competitive market. 5. Seamless.AI is an AI-driven sales platform that helps businesses, including healthcare organizations, efficiently generate leads. With real-time search, AI-validated contact data, CRM integration, and a Chrome extension, it ensures accurate prospecting and streamlined lead management for growth in competitive markets. AI is transforming healthcare lead generation by enabling data-driven targeting, automated follow-ups, and compliance with regulations. Tools like AnyBiz.io streamline multi-channel engagement, personalized outreach, and scheduling, helping providers connect with high-quality leads efficiently and proactively. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.